Knowledge is the key that separates people from having and not having. It's not who you know. It's not what you know. It's not the fancy degree. It's not who your parents were. It's the ability to learn. That's the power of money.
Have you ever wondered how to become a successful entrepreneur? In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 lessons I have learned from successful entrepreneurs. And these I have applied in my life, and I know you will also learn from them. So lesson 1, invest in yourself. Any investment, especially acquiring knowledge, will be a good return on investment. Roy T. Bennett once said, "There is no more profitable investment than investing in yourself. It is the best investment you can make. You can never go wrong with it. It is the true way to improve yourself to be the best version of you, and lets you be able to best serve those around you." I remember sacrificing to get my MBA. I was working during the week and going to school in the evening and the weekend. It was tough to juggle between family, work, and school, but I can say it was worth it. The knowledge I acquired in class and interacting with other people, including entrepreneurs, has helped me a lot in my professional life. Robert, one of the sharks, also speaks about the power of acquiring knowledge. It sets you apart from the pack.
Knowledge is the key that separates people from having and not having. It's not who you know. It's not what you know. It's not the fancy degree. It's not who your parents were. It's the ability to learn. That's the power of money.
2. Don't work hard, work smart. When growing up, on different occasions at a young age, I used to hear from some of my friends. They were reasoning why some people who worked very hard, like bricklayers, janitors, didn't earn as much as office jobs like lawyers, accountants. At least that was the argument at that age. But afterward, I realized that some of these odd jobs, like cleaning floors, anyone could do, and such a person could easily be replaced. But in other professions, you had to put in the time studying and working hard to get to the top in the corporate world. But better yet, as I analyze how the world of money works, I understood that people that invested in things that they could even earn while they slept invested wisely. So it is not how hard you work, but instead working smart, putting systems in place to make your money work for you.
I will never work in my lifetime as hard as my dad worked. My dad escaped from jail, grabbed my mom and I, came here when he was 37 years old, didn't speak the language, had one suitcase. We came here in a boat, my friend. Like, that guy swept floors in a factory, took the bus to work. So you will never hear me complain about hard. Hard does not exist in my vocabulary. That's the immigrant mindset. That's the good part of it. Here's the bad part of it. Nobody worked harder than my dad. My dad never became rich. So what I learned from my dad is, if you don't work hard, you'll never get rich. But just because you work hard doesn't mean you're going to become wealthy. You got to work hard, that's a given, but you got to work smart.
3. Become your own brand. Many people relate branding to only TV commercials or products they like or dislike. But branding is so powerful that many wealthy people have leveraged it. Barack Obama becoming the first black president in the US was not just a coincidence, but it was a well-orchestrated branding strategy that propelled Obama to victory. Every person should become a personal brand. When you scroll on Instagram, you can see a lot of influencers, some good and some questionable, especially for young minds. But they leverage the power of branding to bring in brand deals. Many influential people in the sports and entertainment industry have leveraged their personal brands to create wealth for themselves. Look at Michael Jordan. He retired from basketball a long time ago. But to this day, his shoes, the Jordans, are still one of the most expensive sports shoes you will ever buy. Other examples include Kylie Jenner, who became a billionaire when she was in her 20s, leveraging the power of social media. Conor McGregor introduced the Proper 12 whiskey, and Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, who introduced a tequila by the name Terramana, which is now valued at $1.5 billion. In this day and age, to stand out of the crowd, you need to become your own personal brand. The examples given show us the power of branding.
Two things in life people don't understand: how to leverage a small amount of money to make a lot of money in real estate. It's all about leverage. Scale, people misunderstand scale. They think scale is about hiring more people, using more cash. Scale is about leveraging limited resources. That's why I love real estate, right? When I had no money, I put down a little bit, bought a big home. It's the same with marketing. Marketing is leveraging you on a larger scale. Like, you cannot talk to every person you want to sell to or every investment you want to make. But if you have a brand out there, you're just amplifying who you are. Eventually in life, you got to get to a point where business is coming in.
4. Leave your ego at the door. We have seen this, especially in the corporate world, where we see the hype. I know more than you know. But ego can only take you that far. If you are not open to learning from others, for certain, you won't go far in life. So choosing to shed off your ego will open many doors that you could never imagine.
And I think that's another key to success that I've learned from my parents is leave your ego at the door. I'm highly confident, but if you have a better way to do it, man, I'm going to adopt your way and I'm going to do it right away.
Before I go, please help me help others by hitting the like button. In this way, YouTube will recommend this video to new viewers. And subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. And please turn on the notification bell. In this way, YouTube will notify you every time we upload a new video. As always, I appreciate you stopping by. Until next time, shalom. Also consider watching our other videos on my left.